In this video, I'll be talking about custom telemetry event in Microsoft Copilot Studio. Now, while building an agent in Microsoft Copilot Studio, you have an ability to basically send a custom telemetry event to an say some storage. Now that storage can be application insights. Now application insights is basically a service within Microsoft Azure which basically captures the telemetry of the application. Now you can use application insight to track what's happening with your agent in terms of the prompts which has been typed by user, the response provided by an agent, and also track how this entire multi-turn sequence of events are getting processed by the agent. So you can do using application insight. Now with application insight, you can pass on the telemetry information for further processing. Now what happens with application insight is like application insight has some sort of a syntax in terms of it captures an errors, warnings, information, and those sort of things. Now if you want to have some sort of a custom event specific to your application, then you can use the custom telemetry event to store those sort of event details within the application insights service. Now example would be it will be useful when you want to troubleshoot some scenario, or if you want to track the topic usage within your agent, or it is useful sometimes in error handling scenarios if you want to have some sort of an event registered within the application so that you can troubleshoot at a later stage. Also, if you have deployed this application in the production environment and now if you want to track without even editing a single line of code or without even editing a single configuration within the production system. So I'll show you in action how this all things can be configured. Now, I'm in Copilot Studio interface. So as you see over here, copilotstudio.preview.microsoft.com. Now here in the agent, I have already created one agent. Now, this is a simple telemetry capture event agent, basically. So here I haven't put any instructions or descriptions or anything for the specific agent. This is a simple demonstration example agent. I don't have anything in the knowledge source, and I've done a very basic creation of this agent just now. Now, here, uh, what I would like to do, I would like to talk with this agent. So, I will just say, ask some basic information. So, I can just say, can you give me information on Power Apps? So I'll start that conversation with the agent, and if the agent's knowledge is configured, then it will give me the response. Else, it may just give you a simple message. Now, it has the knowledge source is configured. It has taken the knowledge from the web, and it has given me some information about it. Now, if I want to track all the conversation, what's happening between me and this agent, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make use of application insight. Now, Application Insight is a service within Microsoft Azure. Now, I'm in portal.azure.com and I have various sort of resources created. Now, I have already created Application Insight. So, if you see Application Insights and if you want to know more about Application Insight, you can go into the overview and check what this Application Insight is. And you will be able to get to see various component like Azure Monitor, which basically tracks the application, uh, uh, the telemetry within the application. And also, if you just go and create the application insight from here, it will ask you to provide the name, and it can be useful to basically do with that instrumentation sort of configuration to track your application. Now I've already created the application insight over here, app insights for Copilot Studio bot. So I've connected it with multiple agents. So if you go over here, if I just go to last 6 hours or maybe 12 hours, I can see all the uh, statistics within the application. So if I go to last 30 days, I can see whether there are failed requests, whether the server response time, server request, availability, etc. Now here on the left hand side, I can see the actual sessions. Now, if I go into the sessions, you can see in the last 24 hours, the if I have used it, it will show you sessions. So if I start chatting with an agent, it will give me one session, two session, if you have connected this particular app insights with your agent. Now, if I see what happened in the last 90 days, and if this particular app insight has been used, now yes, this application insights resource has been used, and that's why you can see all this information. Now, you can also see the events which has happened in the last 24 hours or last 90 hours. And then you can see there are so many events which has taken place. Now, no event has taken place in the recent time. So let's use this application insights. So what I'm going to do, I will use the go to the overview section, and then maybe I will just say copy the connection string. So I'm copying the connection string, and I will go to my agent. Now here in the agent, I'll go to settings. So this is how you basically configure the application insight. So settings, advanced, application insight, and then paste your connection string. Now here in the connection string, you have an option to log the activity, log sensitive activity properties, log node tools, and then you click on save. And we can go ahead and publish this agent as well. So I'm just publishing the agent. It is not mandatory, but I've just published the agent. Now anything which you type in over here, you will be able to track those particular uh, conversation. So let me close this. So let me just say hi, and the agent will respond you with corresponding thing. And let me ask about what is Claude desktop tool. So I'm just asking some information to the agent, and the agent will respond to me basis of the knowledge from the web. So it has gone into the knowledge, and it says a cloud desktop is a tool developer Anthropic designed to provide users with an AI assistant that can help with various tasks. So it'll give you some conversation information. Now, if I go to application insight, now I've already connected this application insight. Let me go into the sessions. Now here in it will show you last 24 hours, last 12 hours, last 16 hours. So let me just refresh this. And now as you see, it is telling me there is one session open which we are just currently talking now, right, with the agent, and it has correctly identified. Now if you go into events, in the last 24, it can see that there are 14 events which has taken place. Now this is that bar which you can see. Now if you go to view more insights, you can see there is one user, one session, and this is the count. And let's see what all things we have done. So if you see crf09 agent 1 topic conversation start, bot message sent, bot message received, overall. So if I click on overall, then you can see the channel id, you can see the locale, you can see the recipient id, and you can see all the telemetry. Now you can go ahead and also view the timeline. So let me go back and go to events over here, view more insights, and bot message received. So if I click on bot message received, here you can see some custom event properties. You can go inside a specific event, you can view the timeline. So let me go to show all, and here you can see all the details which has been which has happened during that conversation. So if I go to search results over here, now I can see all the different conversation which has happened. So I can just click ahead. Now if you see, this is a greeting event. So this is that greeting event, send activity. Here you can see the telemetry capture agent. So this is that greeting topic. Then there is a page view, and you can see all the details listed over here, and you can see bot message received. So all this information can be tracked. Now let's go ahead and so we have connected our application insights with this agent, and that's why we are able to capture all this information. Now what we can do is, like, if we don't want to use whatever is there in the application insight, and if we want to pass our own telemetry to the application insight, we can go ahead, say, and create a topic. So let's assume this is a simple topic, and in this topic will trigger when user types, say, telemetry. So I'm just creating one simple topic. This topic is called as telemetry, and here, just to demonstrate you how to use that telemetry kind of signal. So I go to advanced, and then there is something called as log a custom telemetry event. Now here you see log custom telemetry event. Now I can go into the properties, and then within the properties I can specify my own event name. So take for example, if I want to track what's happening between different set of conversation and different set of topics. So maybe I'll call this as event is machine processing, and then in the properties I will say just started, and I'll just click on save. This is like my own event, so I just called it as machine processing, and the value is just started. I can do some other business logic within the topic, or I can call another topic. I can do some other logic. So let me put a send a message, and I'll say machine started, and then I can uh, even save this, and also I can go to advanced and I can log in another custom telemetry event, and I'll call this as machine stopped, and the value is true. So I have created my own event just for tracking my own custom way of implementation. So take for example, if this particular agent is connected to a CNC machine, and then that CNC, based on the signal I received from the CNC machine, I process some information, and then I store the information, and then I pass this information to the application inside. Now, CNC is basically computer operated a mechanical machine. It can be any machine, it can be a drill machine, it can be a lathe machine, but then it is all computer operated. So you can track all the events happening within the machine. Now, here I will just say telemetry, and then it should ideally trigger this particular topic, and it says machine started, and then it has gone inside and it has logged the custom telemetry event. Okay, now let's go into our application insight. So if I go to the application insights over here, and this is the events, so let me go ahead and refresh, and if I go to sessions, let me refresh the session and see what all value have been passed. So the information will not be very real time. It might take some time for the application inside to trace, store, and then provide those information back to the user. So I'm going into the events, view more, and you can see all this custom event, all these events like the bot message received, topic start, topic action, bot message send, topic end. So let me click on bot message received. Now these are the different bot messages which has been received. uh, so let me go into the agent again, and maybe I'll just type in, let me do one thing, let me publish it. So let me publish this, and I'll just close this interface, and I'll again type in telemetry. And again, the same set of topic will get triggered, and it will show you machine started, and then it will log the custom telemetry event. Now, the first part in which we have logged the custom telemetry event is an event which is, let me go into the properties and show it to you. It's a machine processing event. Properties is just started, and in the log custom telemetry event of this one, after the machine is started, I've gone into the properties and say machine stopped and the value as true. Now let me refresh the Microsoft Azure interface and go to events. And now you can see there are more events. There are 32 sort of events. Go to view more insights. And here you can see the custom events which has been now processed. So as you see, machine processing and machine stop, these are the custom events. Now as you see the count, two times we did call that particular topic, telemetry, and then it has sent a custom event. Now these are anything item which is marked in the red is the custom event, and the event which you see over here in the top, these are all like stock standard out of the box, provided by out of the box event provided by Copilot Studio. And this is topic action, bot message send, bot message receive, topic start, topic end. So for any action within Copilot Studio, it will process these particular events. But if you want something custom related to your application, like in my example, I've given you an example of a computer operated mechanical machine. So I have my own requirement, and that's why I was able to create those events, and then I can track each and every information what's happening within that machine, whether the machine is started, whether the machine has stopped, whether the machine has paused. I can go ahead and get all this information, and then if I want to see the exact details, I can go inside that particular event, and then I can see various components. So if I go into this event, it says event name machine processing, and you can see the message just started as well, right? So you can see all this conversation. Now if I go over here, I can go to show all, and then I can extract various metadata for that particular custom event. So serialized data is just started. So that's it, folks. This is all about logging a custom telemetry event using Copilot Studio. Thanks for watching.